Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so rare.
So in this video we will be taking a look at top 3 photo editing apps for Android. So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So let's get started. So the first app in our list is Snapseed by Google. It is the best app to edit your photos. You can set photos curves and it also has lens blur option. You can blur your background. It also has portrait mode option and lots more. So try it. It's free on Play Store. So next we have PixArt. You have heard of it, right? So it is the best photo editing app. You can remove background, draw on photos, apply filters and lots more. So if you haven't installed PixArt on your phone, you should. So at last we have Pixel Lab. Many of you don't know about this app. It is the simple and the best app to make your photos look professional. You can remove background in one click. You can make it transparent also. You can add picture on picture and lots more. So try it now. It's the crazy photo editing app you have ever used. So yeah. So the apps which I have shown you are all free on Play Store. Try them now. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you found anything interesting in this video, drop a like, and if you can hit the subscribe button, it will really help me out. Just a touch on the subscribe button. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I am signing off.